So I'll be sharing my mobile um mobile screen so that you see how I'm doing this. So I come over to my Facebook homepage. This is my Facebook homepage. Then I come to the menu. You scroll up, you find pages. All right. Sometimes when you see more, this page that they are showing see less. Sometimes you can see more. If you don't see these pages, you click on see more. All right. Then when you click on that see more, these pages will show. Then click on the pages. When you click on pages, you see there are two pages I have here already, pages you manage. Then you can click on create. As you can see, you see the create button by the left side of the screen. Click on create. You see, create your page. A page is a space where people can publicly connect with your business, personal brand, or organization. So you click on get started. Once you click on get started, you give yourself the name. So let me say the name of this page is Senator Onoso TV. Alright, then I click next. Once you click next, then you have to choose the category for your page. Alright, the category for your page, it can be I can say, okay, I'll try to search blog. It's a bigger social media agency. If I don't see blog, for the purpose of this tutorial, not to make it long, I'll just click social media agency and click on create. Alright. Alright, so the page has been created. Say you have created your page. What best describe your goals? We use this to help you finish setting up your Senator and also TV. It won't change your access to all your pages, blah blah blah. You say promote your product or services, create content and connect with fans. So you're going to choose create content and connect with fans because you are not here to do business. You are here to create content actually. So you click on create content and connect with fans and click on continue. Then once you click on continue, you see you have your page. All right, you see that it say customize your page. Your profile picture is one of the first things people see. Try using your logo or simple image people can easily associate with you. All right, so if you are creating content, try to show your face. Make sure that people know you. You understand? So I'll click on this camera icon on the profile. Then I'll just choose a profile picture, maybe a profile picture of mine. Then to upload. All right, you see it has uploaded, right? Then the next thing I want to do is you see the other um camera icon. I can decide to click that to change my banner, but you do that to change your banner. I don't have time for that right now, so I just click next. All right, so when you click on next, it's going to load the next phase of your profile, so you keep editing it and making it better. All right, so it say you should invite people, so I can decide to invite these people. Because I'm creating this particular page for tutorial sake, I'm not going to be inviting anybody because I'm not going to be using this page. I have a whole lot of page that I use. All right, a whole lot of page that are not even attached to my name that have a whole lot of followers. All right, so I'll just click on next because I don't want to add them. So you say more suggestion, blah blah blah, whatever. Add your favorite person. I don't have time for that, so I don't want to do that. I just click on next. All right, so it says stay informed about your page. Turn these features to help you. Yes, notification marketing. Yeah, you can turn all these buttons. See when you turn it on, this off, turn it on, this one off, I turn it on. So yeah, on. So I click on done. All right, now you've basically created. Now it will automatically switch to the page.